Hello everyone, I hope you're having a lovely day. My name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. Are you coming to Pakistan this year or the next year and trying to learn Urdu, or are you trying to talk to your spouse or your friend? I teach a lot of students who are coming to Pakistan this year or next year, or some students just want to reconnect to their dada dadi or nana nani and their khandan. So let me know your reason for learning Urdu in the comment section. You know what we're gonna learn today? We're going to learn imperatives, and specifically formal imperatives, respectful ones, a request. This can be very helpful if you're coming to Pakistan, because then you can bargain and ask dukan wala if you need something. If you're going to the north and you're gonna drive to the north, you can ask the driver to slow down or stuff like that. So let's begin. In the previous video, this video here, I taught how to give commands and casual imperative. These are not disrespectful but also not very respectful. But in this video I'll teach you how to request someone and be polite and be very respectful. If you haven't watched this video, you can watch this right now, or you can watch it after watching this video. Let's take the verb jana, right? Jana. What can you do? So the first step, as always, is removing the na, because this is the base form of the verb, this is the infinitive verb, so we cannot use it as a whole. So we have to remove the na, as in every construction in Urdu. So when we remove the na, the thing that is left, ja, is called a verbal stem. Now you have to add the suffix. So the suffix is ye, jaye, jaye. Combining the verbal stem and the suffix, jaye. Aap jaye, go away, jaye. Aap jaye. You can put the subject or you don't have to put the subject, it's up to you. Aap jaye. Aap yahan se jaye. Yahan se means from here. आप यहाँ से जाइए, go away from here. Dena is to give. Dena, to give. One requires a specific suffix. Not many people say diye, so you can say jiye. There are some specific verbs that require jiye. De jiye, dijiye. And also the de sound will become de. Dijiye, dijiye, dijiye. दीजिए, that means give me. दीजिए, मुझे दीजिए. Give me. मुझे means me, to me. मुझे is to and me combined together. मुझे and मुझको is the same thing. You can say मुझको दीजिए or you can say मुझे दीजिए. Many students ask me what's the difference between मुझको and मुझे. It's the same. मुझे flows better though. So मुझे दीजिए. मुझे दवाई दीजिए, मुझे दवाई दीजिए. गिव मी मेडिसिन, मुझे दवाई दीजिए. मेडिसिन, दवाई इज़ मेडिसिन. आहिस्ता चलाइए, आहिस्ता चलाइए. आहिस्ता मीन्स स्लो डाउन, स्लो. चलाइए मीन्स टू ड्राइव, ड्राइव स्लोली. आहिस्ता चलाइए, ड्राइव स्लोली. आहिस्ता चलाइए. गाड़ी आहिस्ता चलाइए, स्लो डाउन द कार. गाड़ी आहिस्ता चलाइए, स्लो डाउन द कार. रास्ता दीजिए, रास्ता दीजिए. कम कीजिए, कम कीजिए, कम कीजिए. Or you can also say कम करिए as well. So you can say ye with most of the verbal stems, but jiye with some of the verbal stems, like pijiye, कीजिए, दीजिए, लीजिए. These are the verbs that require jiye, but most of the verbs can work with ye. करिए, कम करिए. कम करिए is like decrease the price. Come is to decrease. Decrease the price. कम करिए. This is a very common thing because you have to be good at bargaining if you go to any bazaars or malls. Not malls, but bazaars or any दुकान. मुझे एक तकिया दीजिए. मुझे एक तकिया दीजिए. Give me a pillow if you want another pillow in your hotel room. एक तकिया दीजिए. Give me a pillow. एक तकिया दीजिए या एक कंबल दीजिए. एक कंबल दीजिए. कंबल is blanket. एक कंबल दीजिए. जल्दी आइए. Come quickly. जल्दी आइए. Quickly is जल्दी and आइए is to come. जल्दी आइए. Come quickly. मुझे खुला दीजिए. खुला is loose change. मुझे खुला दीजिए. मुझे खुला दीजिए. It's very important because we use cash mostly in Pakistan. We use card as well, but most of the time if you're going to the north you have to carry some cash. So you can say मुझे खुला दीजिए. मुझे पैसे दीजिए. जगह दीजिए. मुझे सोने दीजिए. सोने दीजिए. Let me sleep. मुझे सोने दीजिए. Let me sleep. मुझे सोने दीजिए. आवाज़ आहिस्ता करिए. आवाज़ आहिस्ता करिए. Decrease the volume. आवाज़ आहिस्ता करिए. I hope that you learned from this video. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Goodbye.